ne kadi mopogore opogore kata lines mago mag simbe ng'we yamo mopogore opogore wacho ni koro ok en gima ochuno kata bende koro piny owacho ok odich godo. Kaluwore kanyo to kod jatelo ma bende en jata tije e duol mang'iyo weche mag tudruok e pacho kae migosi Ezra Chiloba owacho ni nyaka gie sani chenro ma nyaka gie sani dhi nyime madhi rumo kanyo kochopo tarik 10 to kod 5 ok dwar picha ng'ato wuon to dwaro picha mana mar opande mare ma onego bed ni koro itiyo godo. Esechego bende Chiloba bende ne loso kod ute mag fwambo odiokinyi ma kawuono wacho kanyo ni koro sim cards go mag simbe bende biro neni obi usi e dukni mago mantiere kod lesen kopogore gi mago ma bende koro usa kata e bath ndara kamane bende koro chenro ma bende gichano timo. Chenro mano mar timo andika yande no osechakore kendo jo Kenya osebedo ka neno ka koro opango laini mabocho ahinya e kuonde mag timo andika mag sim cards megi. Chenro bende wacho ni bichor
by setting the April 15th, 2022 deadline. However, in so doing, ladies and gentlemen, it was expected that whichever mechanism adopted by the telecommunications operators to ensure compliance, such mechanisms shall be orderly, consumer-centric, and not disruptive. The events of the last 3 days have instead pointed to the need for better coordination, communication, and collaboration among all actors. Following consumer feedback and the observations that we've made, the authority has held consultative meetings with the operators who are with us here today, and we've agreed on a number of actions that will be taken to facilitate compliance without disrupting duly registered subscribers. The first action point we agreed on was that all operators shall provide a self-verification USSD code and online platform with standardized menus and messages. The USSD code, that is *106#, shall be used by all operators for verification. This means that subscribers do not have to physically present themselves at the operator's customer service centers unless it is necessary. We also agreed to focus on minimum requirements. The regulations do not require subscribers to submit photos of themselves during registration or the verification exercise. However, records of subscribers must include identification documents such as national IDs, service cards for disciplined forces, passports, and birth certification, whichever is applicable. Of course, we've indicated that we must insist that this is not fresh registration, but valid